What up, guys? Welcome back. So today, some Ringke cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, these are available for every iPhone, older iPhones, and Android phones. Ringke has a ton of cases available for just about everything you need. We're going to check it out. I got the Fusion case here and the Fusion X case here. We're going to check out both cases. I'll give you the prices. We'll take a look. We'll throw it on the iPhone. Check it out. If you're new to the channel, hit that like, drop a sub. And we also have the tempered glass screen protector. I'll drop the links for this below. Also, I'm not putting this on yet. I might do a separate video on this because I have some things I need to do to the phone first before I throw on a glass screen protector. But the cases, that is a different story. We're going to check it out. We're going to check out one of my favorite cases, the Fusion matte case from Ringke. Price on this guy, $15.99, so $16. This does have anti-yellowing. A lot of clear cases will yellow over time. This will not do that. So we also get a little bezel styling. This is like a catalog of some of their products, and this is how you can put the protective film removal guide on the inside and take it off. It does show you how to take it off because there is, as you can see, something we have to remove. This peels off. Very simple, very clean. There's one on both sides, and you can see that matte finish, which I think is absolutely beautiful. Very clean and very nice. Now, of course, on each side of Ringke's cases, we do have a spot for the lanyards on here. Now, these buttons are covered. There is a cutout here for the mute switch. We do have some protection for our cameras and our lenses, so always a good thing. This does have, they say, military grade drop protection. I don't know what level of protection that is, but we do get some type of protection. Now, this is a TPU rubber on here as well. Now look how good that looks on the back with the purple color for the new iPhone. Very nice, very clean. I actually might keep this on for a while and just start using this case. I love that matte finish on here. Now this is still slippery, right? If you're looking for something with a lot of grip, this probably isn't it, but we do get a bunch of grip on the sides, the top, and all around. But the back is kind of slippery, so just be aware of that. But the sides, a lot of grip on here. Now we do have a bit of protection going over our display, so especially in the corners, as you can see, each corner is raised up just a hair, so you can put a tempered glass screen protector on here and get some good protection. Now, of course, the cutouts again on the sides, the physical buttons. Let's see what kind of travel we have. So good travel on the actual buttons with the Ringke case. And of course, on the bottom, we do have the cutouts here for the speakers and for our port. Very clean and very nice. Nice case, right? $15.99, not a bad price either. Ringke always comes with a very nice case for a very good price. The next case we are going to check out is the Fusion X. Now the Fusion X case is $1 more, so $15.99 or $16.99 is the price on this guy. And this will give us just a little bit more of protection than this matte case here. You can see we do have, it is called the Fusion X because we kind of have that X design here with these corners, and we do have to take these stickers off as well. These protective adhesive strips need to come off. So we'll take these off, we'll throw it on, and we'll take a look at this case. Again, this does have some drop protection. It is grippy all along the edges and the top and the bottom of our case, but let's throw it on, see how it fits. See what kind of look we get. I love this case, this matte finish case. You guys know, if you follow the channel, matte finish all day long. I don't care what it is, piece of tech, a case, matte finish. I'm always going to choose matte over anything. Now, these cases also do come in different colors. Just be aware of that. There's a really, really cool looking camo case, a Fusion X camo case that Ringke makes. Unfortunately, I do not have that here to show you, but that is also a very good looking case. But overall, look at that. It looks good, man. That purple, anytime you can see the actual color of the phone, I love a case that can do that. So a bit more protection here. Our corners, you can see the lens protection here. A little bit of a raised edge over the lenses to give us that extra bit of protection. The corners also have some more protection, that X, that Fusion X as they call it. Again, we do have the lanyard spots on both sides of the case. The mute switch is open. Let's see what kind of travel we have here. So still good travel on this. I don't mind that at all. And the volume up and down, again, good travel. Overall, very nice case, which one do you guys like better, the Fusion X or the Fusion Matte? I like the matte better just because it's matte, but if you want a little more protection, you might want to go with the Fusion X. Again, $16.99 for the X and $15.99 for the matte. And again, these are available for all iPhones, all sizes, older iPhones, newer iPhones, Android phones, even the new Pixel that just dropped. Check it out, guys, and I will leave a link for the tempered glass screen protector down in the comment section as well. If you're new to the channel, again, hit that like, drop a sub. Find me on all social media platforms, Instagram and Twitter. That's it, guys. Hope you're having a good night. Peace.